All right, guys, I'm super excited to have you guys here. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can begin to get sales today. I mean, today, right from just your Facebook account. Now, Facebook is a wonderful place where a whole lot of people gather to meet up with friends, read up things. They belong to communities where they discuss forums and all that. Now, this is your opportunity to take advantage of the marketplace. Yes, Facebook is a marketplace. I was right when I said that. So, Facebook, you need to begin to see Facebook as a marketplace where people are gathered and you can position yourself to get a whole lot of eyeballs to whatever you're doing. Now, our goal here is to get as many people as possible to see our affiliate offer. So our goal here is to position ourselves in a way that we will be attracted to people that would want to take advantage of the program that we offer. Now, what do we offer? Our program is you can advertise the DC leads train in two different ways. Now, you can say that you can look out for people that are seeking jobs and would like to earn a six-figure income from home. Or you can look out for people that are interested in learning skills, people that are interested in learning digital skills. Then you can now explain to them that they would be taking advantage of training on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, building sales funnels, running Facebook ads, and the rest. So you can position in any of these two categories. So the first category is positioning for people that are looking for jobs, and the second category is positioning for people that are trying to learn. So this is Facebook, and there are so many. I'm going to quickly show you the simple tools you can use to push this out. There are so many places you can push this out just within Facebook. Facebook, I will keep saying this, Facebook is a marketplace. So imagine yourself in a very crowded place where you, especially like markets in Lagos, where you struggle to even pass. That's what Facebook is like. If you can position yourself right, you would see a whole lot of people that are interested in what you are doing. So if you come into your Facebook dashboard, if you are using a mobile phone, just look for where you see the other extensions icons you would see. So if you see here, if you click on this see more, there are so many things inbuilt within Facebook. So we have pages, we have group, we have friends. If you scroll down, you have jobs, you have marketplace. So I'm going to be talking about some few places where you can position to get these sales. So before I go to talking about the places where you could position inside Facebook to begin to get sales now, first I will talk about your profile. Your Facebook profile is very, very important. So you don't want to keep a shabby profile that does not really speak well of what you do. So you want to make sure that the pictures on your profile are clean. It does not have to be extravagant, but it just has to be good enough with a moderate background. That's very important. Then you can go to your this is optional. You can go to your profile and you can also use your affiliate link as your website page. Then you can, so you have to optimize your profile to look good. That has been already said in the checklist. If you have filled the checklist, you must have seen that. So after that, after your profile is nice, then the next thing you need to do is, let me show you the places we are going to be showing our affiliate products, our affiliate link. So we're not going to be posting our links directly. Rather, we're going to be using some techniques to make these people come to us. Now, when they come to us, then we would now give them a little information about what we offer. Then we post the link to them. So that's going to be the easy method to do this. All right. So the first place is the Facebook jobs. Facebook groups. Facebook groups. That's the first place we are going to be targeting. There are a lot of groups on Facebook, and just using these Facebook groups alone, you can get all the people that you need. All the people that you need. So if you're watching this video I want you to determine that you would make a sale today. Today, you must make a sale today. At the end of this video, don't watch the DC Leads train is not a course. You don't come here and just study and study and study. You come here and you take action right away. So it's not just at the end of this video, I want you to take action right now, and I want to make sure that you make at least 2 sales today. If you're watching this in the evening, then I would permit you to make your 2 sales by tomorrow. So the first place is your Facebook groups. Now, the simple method of using the Facebook groups is to join at least 50 groups. So this is very easy. Just join at least 50 groups, and the 50 groups you're going to be joining are groups that have nothing less than 3K members. Nothing less than 3K members. So how do we do this? So there's so many people on Facebook that are willing and ready to click on your affiliate link and buy, if only you are able to show them what you want to show them in a right way. All right, so you go to Facebook groups, you click on groups, you can search. Okay, you can come to this Facebook search bar, and you can search for those keywords that are already in your script. So there are some keywords we're giving you in your script. You can search alongside those keywords and get people. So for example, you can search, let's say for example, you can search cities. Yes, that's one of my favorites. You can search major cities around Nigeria. So you can search Lagos Hangout, for example, or Lagos Marketplace. Marketplace is better. So you're going to get all these groups. So you're going to see all these groups. Now you can join these groups. So let's say, for example, now just click on join. So now you're looking for groups that have at least 3K members, groups that have good number of members and they have a good rate of engagement. So you join all these groups, and some of the groups are going to ask you to fill in some kind of information before you join. Just fill that out and join. So you click on it and join all these groups. Now, once you have been able to join the group, then you can now start your first post. So I need you to join at least 50 groups today. 50 groups. Now, once you are able to join 50 groups and you are able to post 2 ads in 50 groups per day, you are definitely going to get sales. Now, this is very, very easy. Don't look at the numbers. So you can spend less than 7 minutes to 5 minutes to post in one group, because it's just the same post. You're just going to copy it and paste it in all the groups you have joined, and you are going to start getting results. Now, on the average, if you do this right, you would get at least 20 to 30 people to message you. And out of those 20 to 30 people, you send all of them to your affiliate link. Your affiliate link takes them to the landing page. That landing page is going to convert. And if out of the 20 to 30 people, 5 to 10 buy, then that's a good rate for you, and you have made 5 to 10 sales in just one day. That's how simple it is to make money with this. All right, so you join these groups. So you join these groups and you can now start posting. So this group has a good, let me see how the engagement rate is. Okay. They don't have so much engagement like that. So let me just use this for my example. So you just come here and you create a post. So you create a post in the group, and once you create all the posts you need to create, all the formats and everything, all the this is all in your script. What you need to pay. So you don't have to use exactly what's in the script, but you can model the scripts to get something close to that. So that's that on Facebook groups. So Facebook groups is the first place you should go and start promoting right now. There's a lot of potential there, and there's a lot you can get from it. All right, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is the next place you can promote your stuff is the Facebook jobs. The Facebook jobs is a very, very, very wonderful place you can do this too. So you're just going to come to Facebook jobs, and once you click on jobs, you come to, you're not seeking, you are hiring. So you change it from seeking to hiring. And once you do that, you can now come here and create the job. So you can now come here and create the job. So once you click on that create job, it comes up here, then you can now draft out what you want. So it's very, very simple. You put the title, the location. Now for the location, I would advise that you put a major city in Nigeria. It could be Lagos, could be Abuja, could be Uyo, Port Harcourt, Kano. So any of these major cities, you can put that. So what are you going to be giving out is a full-time job. No, it's not a full-time job. It's a part-time job. We want people to work 2 to 3 hours a day and earn from the comfort of their home just by using the DC Leads train. All right. So once you do that, you put the salary range. The salary range is $100. So calculate $100 per week. So you change it to per week. So you can make it $100 per day, but you can make it $100, 100 to whatever per week. So that's the salary range. And once you do that, you post it. Now, people that apply for the jobs, you contact them and you send them to your affiliate link. Or you can even put your affiliate link in the description where you tell them that they are welcome and they are going to be working as a social media manager, and they're going to be helping companies manage their social media account and post links. Now you're going to tell them to go and watch the training first. You tell them to go and watch the training first. Now that link you're giving them is a link to go and watch the training. So once they go and watch that training, the training is going to convert, and anybody that it converts is going to read in your affiliate. So when you tell them to go and watch the training, what you're going to be putting there is your affiliate link. So if they click on your affiliate link, it takes them to where they will watch the training. It takes them to where they will opt in and then watch the training. So that's how to use your Facebook jobs. So Facebook jobs is one of the major places you would be getting a lot of sales from. All right, so there are other places you can use too, the Facebook Marketplace and the rest and all that. So there are so many other places you can use on Facebook, just within Facebook. So, but the Facebook groups and the Facebook jobs are giving me a whole lot of result right now. So I think that you should jump on that right away. Another place you can do this is also on your Facebook page. On your Facebook page, or on if you're following big pages and those big pages are creating posts, you can put out comments. So check your script. There's a format for posting under people's comments. So there are so many things you could do with that. All right, so that's that about getting a whole lot of people on Facebook. Now there are two major ways to get people on Facebook. Now this major pattern I've showed you is this pattern you need to use immediately and start getting instant sales. However, on the long run, there's a way you can also position yourself to get people to sign up to your affiliate link even while you are sleeping. This is by you positioning some things in place. Number one, there are two things to do. Number one is to create a Facebook group of your own. Create a Facebook group of your own. Grow the group. It's very easy. You come here to groups, then you click on create group. So the group should be related to what we do. So it could be affiliate marketing opportunity in Nigeria. That's my group. It could be DC Leads train affiliate marketing opportunity. Uyo, DC leads train African market opportunity, Ikorodu, Lagos, things like that. So you could do that and you could start getting a whole lot of people to join the group. Now, once people are joining the group, you just need to be active in the group, teach them a little thing about what we do, give them some information, come to our pages, copy some things, our WhatsApp group, our Telegram group, copy some things, paste it there. And once they are interested to join, they would use your link because your link is on a pinned post. You're gonna put a pinned post in your group. So your link will be on a pinned post and they can just click on that and join and come on board immediately. So you have to create your own group on the long run, and you also have to create a page. Now the essence of the page is because in the future you might want to run ads. So your page is where the ads are. They are going to click on. You're going to use that page to run your ads. So there's a video inside the bonus package that shows you exactly how to create a Facebook page. You can watch that video so that you can know how to create your page and get started with that. All right. So there's so many other things you need to do. So I want you to please devote time to this. Now, the truth is, the secret of this business is consistency. If you can work 5 hours, you will earn more money. If you can work 2 hours, you will earn more money. If you can work 1 hour, you will earn less money. That's the truth. So you have to be consistent. You have to post links on groups every day. You have to create Facebook job listings every day, and you have to wait for the people to come in. Now, the truth is, don't see it like you'll be having 2 million people to click. These are not paid ads. However, if you do this right, you could attract up to 50 to 60 people per day. And if you can attract 50 to 60 people per day through your link, I'm very sure you would make at least 5 to 10 sales per day. And if you get the goal of 5 to 10 sales per day, man, you are already doing very, very well. All right, so you can make your first sale today if you take action right now and do exactly what I have showed you. Use Facebook groups, use Facebook jobs, and also comment on people's posts on major platforms. So you could search major platforms and comment under their posts and see how that's going to work out for you. All right, guys, I think that's going to be all for this class. And I just want you to take action. All right.